In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Now all you need to do is use this switcher next to Auto Brightness, located under Brightness slider, to turn it on or off. I used this feature multiple times on OnePlus devices, so I'm sure you will find it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!